Once upon a time, in a cozy town where the nights were as clear as crystal, there lived a curious girl named Jessica. Jessica was 12 years old and had a passion for roller skating under the starlit sky. She loved the feeling of gliding through the night, with the stars twinkling above her like diamonds in a velvet blanket. One evening, Jessica's little sister Megan asked her, "Jessica, how were the stars and planets created? And what are comets, meteors, and asteroids?" Jessica smiled, realizing this was a perfect opportunity to teach Megan about the wonders of the universe. So, Jessica sat down with Megan and began to tell her a fascinating story about the creation of the solar system and the wonders within it. Long ago, Jessica began, there was nothing but darkness and chaos. Then, about 4.6 billion years ago, a huge cloud of gas and dust began to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it started to spin and flatten into a disk. In the center, the sun was born, shining brightly and giving light and warmth to the new solar system. The leftover gas and dust in the disk began to clump together to form planets. The inner planets, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky and small. They formed closer to the sun, where it was hotter. The outer planets, like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are much larger and made mostly of gas. They formed farther from the sun, where it was colder. Jessica paused, seeing Megan's eyes wide with wonder. She continued, "Comets, meteors, and asteroids are also part of our solar system. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rock, and they have long, glowing tails when they come close to the sun. Meteors are smaller rocks that enter Earth's atmosphere, creating streaks of light as they burn up. And asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter." "Stars," Jessica said, pointing to the twinkling lights above, "are like our sun, but they are much farther away. They are giant balls of gas that give off heat and light. Constellations are patterns of stars that form shapes like animals, people, and objects. People have been looking at them for thousands of years, using them to navigate and tell stories." Megan was fascinated, and Jessica was thrilled to see her sister's interest in the universe. Together, they spent the rest of the night roller skating under the starlit sky, pointing out constellations and imagining the wonders of the solar system and beyond.